In the second part of this video, we will understand how to solve linear inequalities of chapter number 6, class 11. Other than that, we will solve example number 6, 7 and 8 of chapter number 6, and we will solve question number 1 to 16 of exercise 6.1. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12.
Let us start our today's topic, which is chapter number 6 of class 11th, which is linear inequality. And example number 6 is that solve 3x minus 4 by 2 is greater than or equal to x plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Then solve the graph of the solution on the number line. So this is the similar question which we have done in the example before. So what we have to do, we have to find out the value of x and represent that value on the number line. So how to solve these kind of inequality questions? I have told you that you have to do addition or subtraction on the both sides, and also you have to do division and multiplication on both the sides while solving for the value of x. Okay, so if I will take first step LCM of this, then what I will get? I will get 3x minus 4 divided by 2 is greater than or equal to x plus 1. LCM of whole will be 4. So x plus 1 minus 4. So I will get now 3x minus 4 divided by 2 is greater than or equal to x minus 3 by 4. Right. So now what I have to do, I have to first remove this 2 and this 4 from both the sides. So what I will do, I will do multiplication of 4 on both the sides so that my this 2 and this 4 gets cancelled out from both the sides. So my equation becomes a linear equation only in the numerator. So 2 2 is the 4. So what it will be? 2 3 is the 6x minus 8 is greater than or equal to 4x, and this will give me minus 12. Right? So equation is simplified now. So what I will do, I will subtract this 4x, because if there was a equal to sign, then what you will do? If this is the equal to sign, then you will take this 4x directly to the left hand side. But when we talk about inequalities, then we do not take it directly. We do addition and subtraction of the term on the both sides. So now it will get cancelled out, and 6x minus 4x will become 2x minus 8 is greater than or equal to minus 12. Okay, so now what I will do, my next step, if equal to sign was there, then my next step was what? My next step will be that I will take this 8 to the right hand side. So 2x will be greater than, so but in case of inequality, what I have to do, I have to do addition of this minus 8 on both the sides. So minus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled out. I will be left with 2x is greater than or equal to minus 4. Okay, so to find out the value of x, what will be my next step? I have to remove this 2. And how I can remove this 2? I have to divide my complete term on both the sides by 2. So I will get what? I will get x should be greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay, so the steps are same if there was an equal to sign to solve linear equation in one variable, but the difference is that you have to do addition or subtraction of the same term on both the sides, and also when you are doing multiplication or division, then also you have to do that multiplication or division with the same number on both the sides. Okay, so what I have got? I have got my answer as x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So I have to represent this on the number line. So see, now this symbol is greater than, equal to symbol is there. So greater than equal to means that this circle will be used. This closed circle will be used, and it is greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2 means minus 1, 0 and all the positive values. So this will be my answer when I have to represent the question on the number line. Okay. Moving to example number 7. Example number 7 says what? The marks obtained by a student of class 11th in first and second terminal examination are 62 and 48 respectively. So if I have to find out average is given to us. So the first term examination marks are given to us equal to 62, and for the second term the marks are given to us equal to 48, and we have to find out the marks for the annual term. Let us suppose those marks are equal to x. Okay, so what they are saying, that average of at least 60 marks. So average is what? If I have to take average of all of these numbers, so average is what? Sum of all the numbers divided by the number of terms. At least 60. At least 60 means this average should have a minimum value of 60. This average can be either greater than or equal to 60. Minimum value should be 60, and more than that value is possible. Okay, so now this equation has been converted to the inequality form. So now solve it in the way how we solve the inequality questions. How we solve inequality questions? That if I have to remove this 3, then what I will do? I will do multiplication of 3 on both the sides. So I will get what? I will get 110 plus x should be greater than equal to 180. So now what will be my next step? My next step will be that I have to subtract 110 from both the sides. So I will get what? I will get this and this will get cancelled out. So I will get x should be greater than equal to 70. So they are asking from you to find out the minimum marks. Minimum marks he should get in the annual examination. Minimum marks means that the minimum number of marks should be 70, and more than that it can be possible. So that is the what we are getting in our answer, that x should be greater than equal to 70. Means minimum value is 70, x can be greater than or x can be equal to 70. Okay. So in these type of questions, you have to read the statement very carefully so that you are able to write down your inequality symbol very carefully. If you will understand how to write down the inequality symbol, then you will be able to solve such kind of questions very easily. Okay, now moving to example number 8. Example number 8 is what? Find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. So what is given to us? That there are two consecutive positive odd natural numbers. So let us suppose my first number is x, then my second number will be what? Because they are talking about the odd numbers, so my second number will be x plus 2. So suppose my first number is 11, then what will be my second number? 13. So how I have got 11 plus 2, it will be 13. Okay. And next in the question it is given that both of which are larger than 10. It is given that x is also greater than 10 and x plus 2 is also greater than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. Means if I will do the sum of all these, then my sum is less than 40. Okay, so solve this inequality and we will get our answer. 2x plus 2 is less than 40. So I have to remove this 2. So what I will do? I will subtract 2 from both the sides. 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. It will be left with 2x is less than 38. So to remove this 2, what I have to do? I have to divide my complete term on both the sides by 2. So I will get that x should be less than 19. Okay, so x should be less than 19, and another equation is given to us what? X should be greater than 10. So the numbers should be in between. Suppose this is 0, this is 10, this is my 19. So the odd numbers should be in between 10 and 19. They are saying it is greater than 10, but we have derived that it should be less than 19. Okay. So my required pairs between 10 and 19, which are odd numbers, odd natural numbers, will be 11 and 13. Second pair will be what? Second pair will be 13 and 15. And my third pair will be 15 and 17. And my last pair will be 17 and 19. Okay. Moving to exercise 6.1. What does the question says? That solve this equation when x is a natural number or when x is an integer. So in the first 4 questions you have to find out the value of x when x is a natural number and when x is an integer. Okay, so I think you can solve it now by yourself, that when x is a natural number and x is an integer. I have solved such type of questions in my first video, so you can see my first video if you have not seen my earlier videos. So you will be able to solve the first 4 questions by yourself. If you find any question difficult for you among the 4, then please add your comments in the comment box. I will make another video for those 4 questions. Okay, and let's move on to the question number 5th. So again, question number 5 to 16 are the same as we are doing the questions till now. So let us solve one question, question number 5, and if you are not able to solve any question from 5 to 16, then please add your comments in the comment box and I will make video for those questions also. Okay, so how to solve such kind of questions? 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. What I will do now? I will remove this 4x from both the sides. 4x minus 4x plus 3 is less than 5x minus 4x plus 7. So 4x and 4x will get cancelled out. I will be left with 3 should be less than x plus 7. So now what I will do? I will remove this 7 from both the sides. So I will subtract 7 x plus 7 minus 7. 7 and 7 will get cancelled out. I will be left with minus 4 is less than x, or I can say that x should be greater than minus 4. Okay, so for the real numbers I have to find out the solution. So I have told you that how to write down the solution for the real numbers. It should be greater than minus 4. Greater than minus 4 means it is moving towards the positive side of the number line. So my answer will be minus 4 comma infinity. See, I am using circle bracket because this is not equal to minus 4. This is only greater than minus 4, means not the minus 4 is included in my answer, not infinity is included in my answer, only the values in between minus 4 and infinity are in the answer. Okay.
If you find the video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video in which we will solve the remaining questions of chapter number 6. Till then, take care and bye-bye.